I got the Dremel 4000 for a couple of reasons. Admittedly, partially because I lost the power thing, the charge for the other one, and partially because the other one didn't have a whole lot of different tips to it. I could have gotten more, but it seemed to me like it made more sense to put the money into a more powerful model. That smaller one, where was it? This one here. I gotta find the power cord because I think this is still useful. This was not bad. This worked for a number of different things, but it's not super powerful. It's only like a 6-volt thing. So I got this one, and it came with a bunch of different things. So let's see what we have here. First off, we have a flex shaft. And all this was surprisingly inexpensive for a good quality tool. And we have a wrench and some kind of adapter tip, I think. So I guess the theory is you put this end onto the Dremel, and then if you needed to, I don't know, reach in a different area or something, you could use this. But it doesn't seem like this is all that much smaller than the unit itself. It's very lightweight. This doesn't weigh much of anything. Here's the machine itself. I guess it's a little bit smaller, but not by too much. I think it's a variable speed. .6 amps, that's not much power at all. But I thought it would draw more than that. It's got a two-prong cord on there. And it came with a bunch of things here in this little box, which I cannot seem to remove. The wrench is there, polishing compounds. I can actually see the polishing aspect of this to be very useful for different things, like plastic screens, for instance, like a cordless phone. Something like this would probably work really well to polish out scratches. And we have a whole bunch of sanding tips, like a grinding wheel. There's definitely some good stuff here. A small wire brush that I could see being pretty useful. It's got this, which I believe this would be for if you wanted to use like a routing attachment with it. It's got some good stuff in there. And then here we have this, which inherently is tie wrapped shut. I can understand this was in the store, but this was purchased on the computer. What do you think, the mailman's going to steal some of the bits? I mean, come on. This has got whole bunch of stuff in here. More of the polishing wheels, a couple of different grinding tips. A lot of these like sanding things. A brush, that's pretty cool. More sanding. And then from the other one that I had purchased, I have, where is it? Here it is. I have a bunch of saw blades. And I was using these with this one. And it worked okay, but it'll work better with this one because it's got more power. So anyways, finally got a proper Dremel, and I think I'll probably get a lot of use out of this.